Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadel Putra Winarta. I am the second author of this article, and here I will explain and presentation this article with the title "The Effect of the Core Material of the Rogowski Coil Sensor on the Sensitivity of the Magnitude of Partial Discharge," as well as the outline of this presentation. Firstly, introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and final conclusion. Let us start for the first discussion of introduction. Partial discharge (PD) is a local or dielectric discharge that experiences high local voltage caused by an inhomogeneous electric field. The cause of the occurrence of an electric field that is not homogeneous is due to the presence of bubble or air cavities in the dielectric. If PD occurs continuously and is left for a long time, it will result in a decrease in the quality of the isolation. Before the occurrence of complete failure in isolation, detection and identification can be done to find the cause of PD. Therefore, method of detection partial discharge, namely electric method, optical method, acoustical method, and chemical method. The method used to detect PD in this study is electrical method with a frequency range of 3 to 30 MHz. Well, generally, the detection of PD is still in the conventional way, where this method requires a large enough space because the sensor has a large size and is relatively uneconomical. So, in this study, the detection and identification of PD was carried out by induction and economically. The induction sensor used is the Rogowski coil sensor. The Rogowski coil sensor is one of the sensors used to detect aging insulation, which is marked by the occurrence of partial discharge. Aging is the match which fail power tools when operated. In the study, the induction sensor used is the Rogowski coil sensor. This Rogowski coil sensor consists of a different toroid core, namely ferromagnetic and unferromagnetic, with a number of turns. The resulting characteristic results are compared with commercial sensor. Methodology. Rogowski coil sensor generally work based on Faraday's law, or what is often called the law of the electromagnetic induction, where the instantaneous current through the primary winding will produce an immediate magnetic field in the form of flux. This flux field induces a secondary winding. The induced secondary winding will produce an opposing flux, which is indicated by the occurrence of a potential difference between the ends of the winding. This voltage is used a result of the current response at any time that will be detected, where the resulting voltage is proportional to the change in the resulting current over time. The RC sensor use different sensor cores, namely ferromagnetic and unferromagnetic core, with the same sensor size in figure, where is A is the inside diameter of the sensor, B is the outer diameter of the sensor, and V is the height of the sensor. This is a photo of the Rogowski coil sensor with the same variation of the number of sensor turns, which is 5. In this table, describe the variation in the number of the sensor turn, consisting of ferromagnetic image 1 and a number of turn 5, while figure 2 is unferromagnetic with the same number of turn. This is an equivalent circuit of the Rogowski coils. All researchers agree the equivalent circuit of the Rogowski coil is the same. Okay, this is a testing circuit for the Rogowski coil sensor. The Rogowski coil sensor linearity test was performed using a function generator at 50 ohm impedance. In addition to using a function generator, this function generator functions as a source and a regulator of the load, which is the input for the charge calibrator. Result and discussion. This figure is the measurement result of Hefli sensor wave and RC sensor with ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic core with a total of 5 turns. This wave is a function of time. The left y-axis is the magnitude reading for the Hefli sensor, while the right side is for the two RC sensors. Rogowski coil sensors, waveform, and commercial sensors are very different. Commercial sensors are shaped like an impulse wave, which is not oscillating or not other than with a duration of 0.5 microsecond, while the Rogowski coil sensor both oscillates under them with a duration of about 0.50 microseconds. Consequently, Rogowski coil sensor wave dissipate faster than commercial sensor. This is also caused by the small oscilloscope impedance value, which makes the number of oscillations small. This figure is a measurement of the peak value for each sensor. The Hefli sensor has the great significance of about 0.70 volts. Rogowski coil sensor with the ferromagnetic core is greater than non-ferromagnetic core, where the magnetic of the Rogowski coil sensor with a ferromagnetic core is 0.109 volt and a non-ferromagnetic core is 0.0030 volt with the sophistication of digitization technology. Small value can be read perfectly. From the previous picture about the measurement result of Hefli and the Rogowski coil sensor, this normalization is carried out to produce a peak magnitude value of 1 volt. The normalized data purpose to make a sensor respond that produce the same waveform even though the amplitude changes. Conclusion. The analysis described above, it can be concluded that the PD magnitude value of the wave response with a ferromagnetic core is greater than that of an unferromagnetic core. However, even though the unferromagnetic value is small, with the sophistication of digital technology, the value is still legible. Okay, well, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.